Yo, shout outs to AO Moments, man. Subscribe to that channel, man. You know how he rocking. Insight for Thursdays. Be Jizzle. I'm out here.
Every time they see me show up, the scene with my team, maybe I'll show up. I be with a couple killers every time we go up. And the ladies in my squad, man, we bring the hoes out. Like show number 4, baby, I'ma show up. My team against yours, nigga, that's a blow up. All I rap.
Still here with the niggas that I came up with. Like a picture on the mound, you niggas change up quick. I'm just trying to load the gun and get my range up quick. Cause a nigga will kill you to keep his range up quick. Because my job, I'm doing it with a passion. He playing with them bins, we stretching them like elastic. Drown him in the water, suffocate him with plastic. Dress him up for Easter and put his egg in the basket in the streets. You don't gotta be like that to fight back. Feeling like Aaliyah, just wishing you took a flight back. Got a couple niggas moonwalking on that Mike Jack. Put the 4-5 to your jersey and tell the mic back. You wanna be rich, but don't put in the work. Molly Duff every day, you niggas popping the perk. Hope you know what you doing, man, for what it was worth. I ain't judging, but I can't see you dead in the church. So I'm more like the reverend, 2 bitch preference. Leaning everywhere, you know they fucking with that medicine. My bitches ain't the brightest, and that's where the time is Edison. I'ma get it right and run the game like Edgerrin. Yeah, life ain't always what it seems. Some niggas sell their soul just to make it to their dream. I'm grinding every day just to make it to the cream. How you ain't getting money with these niggas in your team? Paying like Mike, hooking with Kareem. I ain't taking shorts cause the money in your jeans. My pops was a kingpin. That dope coming like 2 bitches, and guess what, nigga, I'm his wingman. Every day I hide my anger and keep the mean grin. Younger said he got it, but ain't nobody believe him. Before you endorse me, this is a story. No, for real, mark it down, nigga, this is a story. He the only son of both Jimmy and Lori. A younger shooting for them rings like this nigga was hoary. How would you feel if your uncle killed his brother? To know that the drugs has stopped them from being brothers. The pain that you feeling, you just feel it for your mother. Every single day, you just tell her that you love her, but she can't see it cause you never really hug her. Mommy, I apologize. Since 11/25/95, you was always right by my side. Dad has been a rocky road with that pot and stove. We gon' lock and load until we see the block explode. I ain't the blood, a part of a gang, but in my hood, bitches love me, they honor my name. Until I damn dead at that call my name. If you niggas taking pictures, we parking your frame. Y'all not in my lane, y'all starting to change. John Q, son, nigga, your heart ain't the same. Yeah, I know we grew up on the same block, same chip, same sandwich, got it from the same eye. Yeah, went to school, did I change not? When I came back, he was standing in the same spot. How you expect me to ever regret me for leaving? The same snakes that claim they never left me, by the time you catch up, to watch me the Bezzy. My daddy in the Benz, my sister in the BM, brother in the Maserati every time they see him. And when I get on, I'ma make sure that I feed him. Never leave your brother drowning when he on the deep end. Live for the weekend, be Jizzle, man. I'm telling you. It's be Jizzle, man. AMW, Uptown Harlem, America's Most Wanted. It's my site for Thursday, man. Shout out to everybody, Harlem, Brooklyn, whole New York, man. We bringing it back. Young and reckless. You already know how we rockin', man. Be Jizzle, man. Be Jizzle _ AMW. Follow the Instagram, man.
Just my wet nigga, what you know about? Show